Now we've sorted the whole routing out and we now have a good understanding of how the routing works. What we're going to do is to make sure that our home page no longer points to this index. As you can see, this index does not make sense for us. It's just filled with raw PHP instructions. What we can do is to make sure that our home page points to our posts controller, where the list of job postings can be seen, so that when somebody visits our website the first time, all they see is job postings. So from our database, we already have a posts that we can use as job postings. The only thing is that we can adjust it to have more fields. So what we can quickly do is go back, and this post, instead of this, it should just go to posts controller. The way I know that post controller is existing is because if you go to our app /controllers, and you will see a posts controller. And what post controller does is basically, if there is a user ID that is passed in, it should retrieve all posts by this user. But if there is no user ID that is passed in, it should just retrieve all posts. All right. And this is basically Laravel code. So if you want to know how to write this, you check Laravel ORM code, Eloquent ORM code. I'll show you as we actually start writing. So what we did in the route file was simply change, and of course this is posts.index. All right, so we made this post controller posts.index. That's the name of the file. So every route has a name. So the name of this route is post.index. So if we go to our raw PHP application now and visit this home page, okay, so it's throwing an error for us, and it's saying is on the navigation.twig on line 6. We didn't create a home, so of course we just deleted the home that is created. So what we'll do is we can just set this to home, but I'll show you why that error showed up so you know how to debug stuff. So it's saying that in our templates partials navigation.twig on line 6, we just deleted something. So if we just go back to our templates, routes, auth, templates, navigation, on line 6. On line 6 here, we referenced home, and that's a path that no longer exists. So that was why it threw that error. But we can just call this home, so that when somebody visits /home, they will just see our post controller index. So we'll refresh our page, and there we have it. So this is a list of posts. So we can just go and customize it and put title, and then we can make sure that when somebody clicks create a new post, they have to log in first to create a new post. So see you in the next video where we actually start customizing things.